I'm Elvin Jerome Lasek, and I'm involved in various community projects, organization, and advocacy which aims to develop, to empower, and to uplift the youth in our community. Uh, I am currently serving as the president of an interfaith organization in Bataan Peninsula State University. It is the first time in our university to have that kind of organization which aims to unify and to build ecumenical relation between religion. Uh, Second, I am one of the newly elected senators in our campus, known as the Campus Student Council. Third, I am currently serving as the Sangguniang Kabataan Council member in our barangay. I know in this kind of position, there are corresponding duties and responsibilities which I must fulfill so that the visions and mission and goals of our organization must must be must become a reality. I know empowering the youth is not a simple or an easy task. Uh, I know I must exert much effort, and this seminar can help me to develop my leadership skills so that I can help others also to lead themselves. For I know we are the leaders of our own selves, but this seminar can help me to develop my leadership skills so that I can lead my organization properly. Thank you.